Okay, hello guys, today I will show you how to flash your Xiaomi Mi 8 to MIUI 14 Boot Gen Edition. I will add all the links below where you can download all the files needed, and let me show you how to do it, how to flash it, and how it will work actually. So I can tell you for now that only what doesn't work is NFC, all the other works as it is only port from another phone. Alright, so what we should do, first we should click upper button and turn on button to enter the recovery. So I'm finally entered recovery mode, and currently what you should do, you should follow the instructions that I will provide right now. Actually, first you need to prepare for this installation. You need to wipe. So basically you need to wipe all everything what you've got. So let's start from format data. Then you should wipe everything that you have on your phone. Actually, this one is done. Let's move back. Advanced wipe. So this all should be wiped except OTG. Wipe. So it's done. Everything's wiped. And then let's move on. So your phone is connected right now to a laptop, and you need to download two files to your phone, upload it. Basically you will see two files. One is Mi 8 expand system, which you should copy first. I just copied from my laptop, go to install, then I have it in front of me. So first let's install it. Actually, swipe to flash. So now it should automatically restart the recovery. So let's test it out. Yeah, you see recovery is here. Okay, after your phone restarted, you need to do the wipes of all the systems. So you click advanced, select everything except USB OTG, swipe to wipe, wiping done. So just be careful, this instruction is do it really careful, and if you're not experienced, better not to do it. I don't take any risk of your phone, and actually these actions may break your phone. That's why I'm not recommending to do it. But if you're really confident and you've done several things before, that's a good option to try. And just remember, it may hard brick your phone. So let's move on. Actually, so we did all the wipes. Then on the laptop, again, we connected by the cable. So we open the phone storage and copy the MIUI 14. Actually, it started to copy right now, and then wait. And actually, I forgot to tell you, before doing the actions, I suggest you to check the file system. So for example, you can click advance and then data, click on repair or change file system. It should be a ext4, and same for cache. The file system should be ext4. In case it will be different one, you need to change file system to ext4. Here is the button, change file system, and then most probably you will have ext2 or some others. So you just click to ext4 and it will be replaced. Alright, so my data almost copied, and once it's copied, what you need to do, okay, I think it's copied, you click on install here, and finally MIUI 14 is coming to us. Started to flash. Let's check and hope that it will work. So Xiaomi 13 port for Mi 8. Actually, here is a link who created the port, and the build date is July 2023. And the full name of it, MIUI 14 27.7.17 by Deep Try, thanks to this guy, and it's even based on Android 13. And the latest right now official one is Android 10 based on MIUI 12. Actually, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. Alright, so let's wait a bit and I will be back to you soon. Alright, it's already flashed here, so let's click wipe cache and Dalvik. Wiped successfully, and the moment that we are waiting for, system, let's see whether it will work. So we can already disconnect it from the laptop, and let's see and hope that it will load. As I see, I have unloaded bootloader. You need to have the same. So two conditions to install it. The first and the most important, unlock bootloader. If you don't have it, even don't try it. First, just unlock it. And secondly, to have the custom recovery, you have two options, TWRP or Orange Fox. It's up to you. I have TWRP. I will leave the links below how to unlock your phone, unlock the bootloader, how to unlock how to install TWRP later on, and here in this video you see what to do next one. But for now, just keep this in mind that you should have it before the installation. Okay, let's wait a bit. I think that for the first time it will load really slow, so let's wait until loading and I will be back to you soon. Alright, I see we are lucky enough, so we have the MIUI 14 installed here. Yeah, as you see. Okay, need some time maybe to... doesn't work, screen doesn't work properly. Okay, it works. Let's increase brightness a bit. Right, what we have here, we have the notch here, you see, because it's from MIUI 13, where camera is here. Alright, so as you see, everything is loaded. Let's check it out, what we've got. So we've got MIUI 14.023 from EU Development Edition, and actually occupied 18 gigabytes. So RAM extension 0. We have it's written here Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so the characteristics described here are not actually correct because they from Mi 13. What's from security update, the latest one from July 2023. Actually, we have all the settings covered, only the notch here. It's not really annoying, but it's just some little circle over there. I think we can somehow fix it. Let's try it out. Display always on and lock screen. Let's try to search for a notch here. Okay, not available. Anyway, we managed to install it, so now we've got MIUI 14. It's working. So camera, let's just check something from here. Okay, actually there are many apps missing by default, like camera. You need to install it separately. We have its calculator. We've got some other like phone app, which is also from MIUI 13. We've got Play Store pre-installed, files pre-installed, but not full the apps. All the apps are pre-installed here. Alright, actually that's all what I wanted to show you, how to install MIUI 14. In my next video I will cover and try to test it out a bit, the MIUI 14. So make sure that you subscribe, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.